Investment is the act of putting your money, time, or resources into something with the expectation that it will grow in value or bring you future benefits. The main goal of investing is to grow your wealth over time and achieve financial goals like buying a home, funding education, or retiring comfortably. In this video, I will teach you how to get multiple income streams. Kindly subscribe to my channel as I will be posting more videos on how to make money. Depending on only one income source is a very bad practice. To make ends meet, you must have multiple streams of income. This video explains the commonest investment options for beginners. 1. Treasury bills. Treasury bills, T-bills, are short-term government securities issued by a country's central bank or treasury to raise money. They are considered one of the safest investments because they are backed by the government. As a beginner, you can acquire treasury bills to earn periodically. 2. Fixed deposits. A fixed deposit, FD, is a financial instrument offered by banks or financial institutions where you deposit a lump sum of money for a fixed period at a fixed interest rate. It's one of the safest and most popular ways to save and grow money, especially for conservative investors. This is another good option of investment for a beginner. 3. Bonds. A bond is basically a loan you give to a government, company, or organization in exchange for regular interest payments plus the return of your money, the principal, at maturity. It's like you're the lender, and the government or company is the borrower. 4. Farming. Farming is the practice of cultivating land and raising animals to produce food, raw materials, and other resources essential for human life. It's one of the oldest and most important activities in human civilization. 5. Stocks and shares. A stock represents ownership in a company while a share is a single unit of stock. When you buy shares of a company, you become a shareholder, meaning you own a part of that company. You therefore earn dividends when they are declared. 6. Set up a business. You can also set up a business to engage in buying or selling or consider production of goods and services. Subscribe to my channel as I will make video on fast-moving products. 7. Property investment. Property investment, also known as real estate investment, is the act of buying land, houses, buildings, or commercial property with the goal of making money through rental income, resale, or both. Instead of just living in a house, you buy property as an asset that can generate long-term wealth. 8. Foreign exchange trading. Foreign exchange trading, also called forex trading, is the buying and selling of currencies in the global marketplace to make a profit from changes in their values. Right finger example. If you think the US dollar, USD, will get stronger compared to the euro, EUR, you buy USD and sell EUR. If the price moves in your favor, you make money. As a beginner, you can consider any of the above options to make millions of income. Kindly subscribe to my channel to get access to my upcoming videos on 1. The basics of investing. 2. How to set financial goals before you invest. 3. The importance of risk and diversification in investing. 4. Stocks versus bonds versus mutual funds versus ETFs. 5. Long-term strategies to build wealth and many more interesting topics. Thank you.